Hello everyone, this is my review of the PHARMBANNER Toenail Fungus treatment. I liked how easy and precise the applicator is. It makes it simple to apply the therapy exactly where it's needed without any mess. The formula is lightweight and absorbs well, rather than just sitting on the surface. After a few weeks of consistent use, I started to notice my nails looking healthier and clearer. The discoloration and brittleness that used to bother me began to fade, and I could tell it was working over time. I also appreciate that it feels gentle. I didn't experience any irritation or discomfort, which is essential when using something regularly. It feels like a thoughtful formula that treats the issue without harsh side effects. Another thing I liked is how easy it is to stay consistent with daily use. The precise applicator encourages routine, and I didn't have to deal with complicated steps or tools. I just applied it after a shower and went about my day. Overall, this toenail fungus treatment has made a noticeable difference for me. It's easy to use, feels gentle, and delivers real improvement over time. If you've been looking for something that helps restore your nails and boosts your confidence, this treatment is a solid option worth trying. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.